Kelp is not just a slimy seaweed you avoid at the beach. It's a superfood for your plants and can do wonders for your garden. But what is kelp exactly and why should you care? Let's find out. Kelp meal is a type of organic fertilizer that's made from dried and ground up seaweed. Seaweed might not sound like the most appetizing thing to put on your plants, but trust us, it works wonders. Kelp meal is rich in all sorts of nutrients that plants love, including nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and trace minerals like magnesium, calcium, and iron. What can kelp meal do for your plants? First off, it can help to promote healthy growth and development, which means bigger and more productive harvests. Kelp meal can also improve soil structure and fertility, making it easier for your plants to absorb water and nutrients. It can even help to ward off pests and diseases, since the minerals in kelp meal can strengthen your plants' immune systems. So, what are the pros and cons of using kelp meal? On the plus side, kelp meal is all natural and sustainable, so you don't have to worry about harmful chemicals or environmental impact. It's also relatively inexpensive and easy to find at most garden centers or online retailers. On the downside, some people might not love the smell of seaweed, and kelp meal might not be as effective as synthetic fertilizers for certain types of plants or soils. Overall, we think that kelp meal is a fantastic option for anyone who wants to give their plants a healthy boost without relying on harsh chemicals. Give it a try and see for yourself how your plants respond.